Hi everyone, welcome back to Feather Estates and welcome back to JM KAUNDU YouTube channel. So today we are touring Feather. Feather is regarded as one of the most affordable and lavish estate in Eastlands. So let's tour this estate and get to confirm whether that is true, because most of the people who reside around this estate, they regard this estate as one of the most affordable and lavish estates. And they will be taking you to one of the gated community Feather Estate. So stay tuned to the end of the video so that you can be able to see this amazing estate. Yeah, it's the newest estate here in Eastlands and looks very amazing, very beautiful. So we are starting our video around this place. Looks a bit okay. I think for the first impression, it looks very nice. Even the commerce that people seems to be doing business, the shops are looking okay according to me. I don't know, you guys, what do you think? Do you think from what you can be able to see, you can really think this is the best estate? So kwa watu wa Feather, nimetoka Tasia, that's the reason why I am mentioning Tasia. So Tasia video will be coming up next as an independent video. You're gonna be seeing how Tasia looks like. It's a neighborhood here in Feather Estate. So guys, let's do this video. Let's walk you around, and please, if it's your first time coming across my channel, do me the favor, subscribe, like the video, and drop me a comment. Tell me what you think about this estate. Alright, now from here you can be able to see Quickmart Supermarket. That is where the stage for Feather Estate is, for those who are lighting matatu from Outer Ring Road. Yeah, and then we are greeted with a very pathetic road. Look at this. Imagine this road is in Feather Estate, and we have Warrior. Kuna Warrior Feather Estate. Wow, I didn't know. So maze, road zinakaa vibaya hapa, sijui kama everywhere looks like this. You can see how vehicles are struggling. Crazy. So let's see whether it's everywhere or maybe it's just this stretch. So we walk this way up. Look at this, very bad. So Feather Estate is in Embakasi East. This is a constituency for Babu Owino. Babu Owino, yawa. What is happening? Come see what is happening here. And I'm told that Babu Owino is the best performing MP in Kenya. So I'm surprised. Maybe this is just as an what do we call it? Excluded. That is the best English. Part of the estate. Although I'm told that MPs are not supposed to construct roads. So, and you know, it's only in Kenya where MPs are given a CDF. That is the money that the kitty they're supposed to use. So in other countries, MPs are only supposed to legislate, but not to do development projects. But here in Kenya, MPs must be bribed so that they can support a certain side of the government. And then when they are bribed and they are given money, instead of putting it to actual work, they now decide to use it for their own projects. Sorry guys, I mentioned some of the politics. But as you can see, the business people are a bit resilient, but I think Yeah, the shops, although they are open, they look empty, and even we don't have too much foot traffic. So around this place, it's a bit changing. Everything looks okay. Yeah, and I'm surprised that although I'm not saying that Woria wanafaa kukaa tu Eastleigh peke yake. It's only that I thought maybe not much, but I have spotted quite a number of them. Look at this pothole, so big. The whole car is gonna fit in this pothole. Okay, so look at the skies look beautiful. It has been raining of late, very much, too much rainfall. I'm told that in Mukuru kwa Jenga there was a flash flood that affected some of the residents, and a number of people lost their lives. Quite unfortunate. So I don't know whether we'll get to Mukuru kwa Jenga to see what is happening. But currently we are in Feather Estate, and then I am from Tasia, which is also looking very bad. I will be sharing that video in my subsequent upload, so hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So you can see these are gated community. You can see the tall fence. Yeah, those ones, they don't even want people to see what is happening. So there's a school over here. Look at this, very nice school. It looks nice. I don't know how much they pay for tuition or the school fees, and the opposite side is also a school. Yeah, they are private schools. I haven't seen any public school. So this is where the rich people reside in Eastlands. So but now their roads look very bad. They need to petition their area member of parliament to at least rehabilitate this road. Okay, so kindly continue watching the video to get to learn more about Feather Estate. Another school over there. Oh, it's the same school. Guys, from what you are seeing, do you still regard or think that this is one of the lavish estate in Eastlands in Nairobi, Kenya? Because I think from the works that we are doing, the roads not that good. Although the investors are doing a bit of good work in developing the houses, there is another sub building over there. We're gonna be getting there, but the roads, although here we have, but it's not even. It's not everywhere that we have roads. Although Eastlands is kind of neglected, not probably in this area. It's still not that good, but they are trying. We still have roads. Look at that. Very nice. Look at this road. Very bad. Very bad. Hey. I have mixed reaction. Not that confident that this is the best estate. Yeah, not that sure. I think probably we got better estates in Eastlands. Yeah, so well, this is the real picture of how Feather Estate looks like, and kuna Masai anafunga ng'ombe huku. So look at how this estate looks like. The roads are not that good. Yeah, so well, you guys tell me in the comment section what do you think, and please, if you're watching this video, at least drop a comment. Even if you're just going to drop a like, something, just write something on the comment section. It tells YouTube algorithm that this video needs to be promoted to as many people as possible. So at least do me that favor. I am on a journey to 5,000 subscribers. We have already clocked 2,300. So look at this huge pothole in the middle of the road, and then from there we have somehow something good. So I think the contractors that are being given this work to make these roads are not that serious, or maybe it's corruption thing, because you can see the developers of the buildings are doing a lot of work to construct nice houses, but when it comes to roads, very pathetic. But some of them good. All right, so this is the real impression of Feather Estate. Tell me in the comment section what you think. I have been able to walk around, and the good thing is that we are doing this video walking, so we can be able to at least show you the real picture. You know, when you are driving, sometimes you don't really get the real picture. So this is the advantage of me walking, although it's a bit tiresome. But well, we are doing exercise as we do our video. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you got some value, or you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and write me a comment. Anything, just write your honest opinion about this estate, and I really appreciate. So we are around Naivas, and then from here we're gonna be getting to the gated community of Feather Estate. Yeah, from here it's a few meters. So Naivas, kuna Naivas. You can see there are two supermarkets in this estate. There is Naivas and then Quickmart, and then we have some of the nice entertainment joints. Look at this. This one has even flags. I don't know which country flags are these, or maybe so that is the Feather Estate, the gated community, the newest gate D. Is this a gate? I think gate C, because it's structured in gate A, gate B, gate C, and then gate D. So gate D is the newest, so we will not be able to walk around the whole gated community and show you. So I'm gonna be turning from this place, because I've really walked, I'm really tired. So this is gate D, and looks very nice. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much.